EURUSD this week started with bearish candles. We can see the start of the week, and on a Wednesday the price formed a bullish candle that has gone above 1.0846, which was a bullish breakout indicating the further rise up in value. But on Thursday the price retraced back down, closing below these two candles before that and continued to fall down, which was indication of a reversal after the bullish breakout has been failed. In most cases the price continues in the reverse direction, and the price has stopped on Friday just at the start of the demand zone 1.07825. On the weekly time frame, we can see that after the price has formed a bullish breakout 2 weeks ago, the week before the price has confirmed this bullish breakout as well, one way the price did not return back down. But this week the price has formed another bearish candle where the price has reached almost 1.07825. On the monthly time frame, we can see that we have one more week until this month ends, so everything's still open. The previous month has closed as indecision month, where the price has been open and closed almost at the same price, and currently where the price is, we can see it is at the same price level. So we have the next week what is the decision, but we can see what are very important levels on the monthly time frame. The first one is 1.07825. On the lower side, that needs to be broken in order to continue to fall down in value, where the next stop is 1.06855. Above that, the first price level is 1.08870. That needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value and reach 1.09860. So these are two levels for the next week that the price needs to break on the upper side or the lower side in order to continue in any direction. So for that, we can see that on the weekly time frame, the next level where the price could stop is 1.0725. So this is the price level where I'm expecting the price next week to touch, and then we will see what happens. Will the price make a breakout to the downside, or it will make a retrace and continue to rise up in value? So for the daily time frame, we can see that currently where the price is the start of this demand zone around 1.07825. So this means if the price goes down below that and makes closes the candle below that level, this will be indicating where the price could stop is 1.07430 is the first level where the price could stop. Then from there we will see what happens. But if the price do not close below that, it will mean that the price has found a great support, and it will stay there for a while until the price makes a breakout moving above, which means on the upper side 1.085 is the first level, first resistance on the daily time frame that the price needs to do above and to reach higher price levels. The first critical level is 1.08846. We can see that it is the first resistance level for the price in order to continue to rise in value, as it was several days ago. We can see it here. So these are very critical levels, and where the price will break, I will check that inside the daily analysis inside the Telegram group. So very important what we can see, the price has gone from the small uptrend channel, here it is, now reversing back down. So we'll see what happens during the day on the daily analysis. Will the price make a breakout to the downside, or it will continue to rise in value? This is something that we will see next week. But for now, what you can see, the price is currently inside the bearish mode, where the price needs to make a breakout below 1.07825 as a critical support level. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.